Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. If your lawnmower won't start and you've gone through all of the normal starting procedure for your lawnmower, there are a couple of things that you can check that are easy to check before you bring it to a small engine mechanic. First of those is spark plug. Now, obviously, make sure that the boot is firmly in place. If it is, then you can take the boot off and remove the spark plug and check it and see if it's in bad shape, or even if it's just wet. If it's covered with fuel, the mower's not going to start, and so you need to clean it with a carb cleaner and let it dry and reinstall it and try again. The other possibility is that your gas is old. Even if it's just a month old, that could be the cause of your problem. Drain the gas and dispose of it properly and replace with fresh gas. So if you try both of those things and it still doesn't want to start, it could be a carburetor problem, at which point you might want to just take it in to a professional and have it looked at.